Hello students, I wanted to share with you an app that I think you'll find useful in completing your assignments. This app is called the Kami PDF Editor, and I'd like to show you how you can get this and how you might use it to complete assignments. So if you just Google that, it should take you to the Chrome store. And adding this to your Chrome browser is easy as clicking the button, adding the extension. And once that's been added, you'll notice a little K up here in your extensions list on your Chrome browser. That shows that you have Kami working with Chrome. And then to edit a document, if you click on that, you'll have some options here. So I clicked on the little K up there. I can open a document from Google Drive. There are other options here as well, but this is one way to do that. So I go in through my Google Drive, find the document that I want to add my annotations to. Alternately, another way to do this is to right-click on a document from Google Drive. And if you're using a Chromebook, right-click means you hold the Option key on the keyboard while you click the mouse, and that brings up a menu with an option that says Open With, and there are a couple different apps or extensions that allow me to open PDFs, and there's Kami as one of those. Okay, once you find your document and open it, you'll notice that document shows with a menu bar down the left side with several different tools. In addition, there's a menu going across the top, and unfortunately there's an ad off to the side. So the way that you use this, I just primarily use the pen tool, which is also called the drawing tool, and click on an ink color and begin to write. So if I were filling in this chart and didn't want to do it by printing it and using a pencil and then scanning when I'm done, I might choose to use Kami to write on this document. Over here I could write down, let's see, the basic unit. So I'm going to fill in some units over here like the, I guess that would be the decimeter and the centimeter and the millimeter. So just using a stylus and a tablet, I can get pretty good writing to go on these. Now I'm scrolling down on the side of the document. Maybe there's something on there that I need to erase. Eraser tool can do that. All right. So it's pretty straightforward. Play around with the tools and find out what options you have. One of the things that you'll probably want to do when you're done is to make a copy of that document. I like to use the download button to do that. I like to put it back into my Google Drive. I'm going to get this with annotations and export it into my drive. Okay. So now I'll have my original copy of the document as well as the copy with the annotations, and you'll notice that they've just changed the name to Kami Export hyphen and then the name of the file. Not too keen on the naming scheme that they use, primarily because it means that my documents are all going to be out of alphabetical order, but a lot of times I'll just go in and give that a new name, maybe something like that. Okay. So that's how you use Kami. Again, it's useful if you have a tablet or something that has a stylus and you want to be able to write on your PDF documents and submit those for your assignments. I hope you find this useful too.